board for a viral pay bot. Obviously it's a WordPress plugin. Now, just to give you a basic rundown, what it basically is a content locker, but it's content locker that's different to other content lockers. It's content locker on steroids, if you like. I hate that phrase, but that's pretty much what it is. What it allows you to do, first of all, the main difference between this and other content lockers have the social aspect that, you know, give us a Facebook like, a tweet, a Google Plus. We have that as well, but we have extra features, and we have the main thing is that people can pay to unlock the content. So it completely integrates with PayPal. So actually, I'm gonna have to blur that out. But there's this is our details. So it puts in your detail. You put in your details for PayPal, and then you create a content lock. So we'll go in one that's already been created here. This is a video payment unlock. So you give it a name, and then you can choose the skin. Now when you choose a skin here, there's different types of skins that you have to choose one for it to change, but there's different types of skins, and you can give a little demonstration there, and it basically locks the content, so it blurs it out, and then underneath this particular type, which is the video payment type, we'll put a video underneath the locked content, or anything you like. Actually, it's got an editor here. You can put whatever you like in there. So one idea we've got here is a video. You could put a video in explaining to them why they should pay to unlock, or why they should, depending on whether you've chosen the social aspect. Maybe you want them to tweet or do a Google Plus or a Facebook like. So, but the main thing is that you can do payments. Now that might be micro payments. Maybe you want someone to charge someone 5 cents to unlock your content. Maybe you want to charge them $1. We've been doing lots of tests, and that's what's going to happen during the pre-launch. During the pre-launch, we're going to show a case study of how we use this, and it's going to get people really excited about how anybody with any type of decent content can make money by sending traffic to these pages and making micro payments, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1, but you can send it up to whatever you want. Maybe it's $77, maybe it's whatever, $700. You can put whatever you like in. You can also set pop-up windows, so when they've unlocked the content, maybe they go to PayPal, they come back, the content's unlocked, and then a pop-up window will come up. Maybe that's like an upsell or another video telling them to do something else, or whatever it is. It's totally customizable. You can change the features, the settings. It's just like a WordPress editor, so you can put whatever you like in there. Then you can choose the currency, the price, and you can choose to have the social buttons or the PayPal button. You choose one or the other. So the social buttons will be like, for a tweet or a Google Plus, and I'll show you an example of that now. But if we just show you this, so this is what it looks like. So you get the short code, you put that around the content, and then it comes up with a blurred and a lock over it, and then you can put a video down here or anything you like in there, telling them what to do to unlock the content, what they're going to get if they unlock the content, and then you can set that to, like I say, the price can be anything you like. It then integrates with PayPal. They come back from PayPal, it's unlocked, and a pop-up can come up, and maybe it's an upsell, as I said, or anything else. Now, some other ways of using this are that's the video one. There's the payment one, which is again is very similar. It's just that you just have you change the content in there to whatever you wanted it to be. Another thing as well, to in case you're wondering, because I did wonder, if you check the source code of these pages, the content is still there. It's still indexed by Google as though it's not blurred out. So people could put this on the homepage of a site, and the homepage will still rank. It's still seen as having content on it by the search engines. It doesn't change anything in that respect. It just changes the way it looks to the viewer. Okay, then you've got the social unlock. Again, this is the same thing. You unlock the content. This unlocked content can be put anywhere. It's just short codes. You can place it around any type of content you want: videos, whole pages, part pages, anything you like. And then you can unlock it with a like, a tweet, a Google Plus. And then the rest of it is the elite versions, which I'm going to show shortly. So that's basically it. It's a really cool way of being able to charge micro payments or whatever size payments you like, so that you can monetize your content And people who maybe, struggling with making affiliate sales or this type, or getting people to click on ads, if you've got some valuable content on a page, or your customers have got some valuable content on a page, they've already got the content, they can lock it, and people have been able to make small payments, which, in our tests, and we have tested this with all different types of traffic, and that's going to be covered in the pre-launch video series. Anybody with any type of content, with any type of site, whether they've got free traffic, paid traffic, solo ads, you send in your email list, you send your email list to a bit of content, and part of it's locked, and they have to make a small payment, so it's like having your own products. So anyway, it's really, really good plugin. I'm really proud to be involved with it. So let's just hop over to the elite version, and I'll show you the extra features that people are going to get if they decide to upgrade. Okay, so here we are over on the elite version. So just to run through the extra features that they get. First of all, they get a full set of site statistics, so that shows everything, the usual site statistics, referrals, keywords, viewed content, visitor details, and all that kind of stuff. But one really powerful feature that it has is the keywords. Now what this does is it monitors the keywords that are coming into your website, and it will allow you to create content based on the keywords that are coming in. So you can create new content and lock that content based on what people are finding your site for. So maybe you've not got a piece of content that is optimized for a particular keyword that somebody's finding your site for. You create a page that is focused around that keyword and has content that's focused around that keyword, and it just allows you to increase your conversions by having more relevant content, and content locked based around what people are trying to get from your website. So that's that. The next two features it has, one of them is the timer unlock, and one of them is the Facebook Connect. So the Facebook Connect works like other Facebook Connect features. You can put in your Aweber. It integrates only with Aweber at the moment, but again, it works. You create a Facebook app, and you put in your Aweber form, and then when somebody lands on the page, they can unlock the content by connecting with Facebook, which adds them to your subscriber list. And then obviously you've got the same features as before. You can have the pop-up window, the PayPal button after that. So you can get a subscriber, build your email list, and get money for your content. And also with the pop-up window, you can show them it could be anything. It could be an affiliate link, it could be an upsell, it could be anything you like. So that's basically how that works. So we'll just quickly show you an example of that. Again, it's content locked as before, and then they log in with Facebook, and they're added to a list in Aweber. So it's a really good way to be able to build your list based on your content. So maybe you don't want to charge for the content, maybe you don't want people to pay for it, maybe you just want to build your subscriber list. So this is a really good way of getting people to opt in, because they can immediately see exactly what they're going to be getting. Next is the timer unlock. So what this does is it counts down. So it's a countdown, and the content will unlock on a timer. So at first glance you might think, well, why would that be useful? Because they know they're going to get the content. But the reason why it's useful is because it allows you to, again, you can put anything you like in the editor. So maybe you want somebody to click on an ad whilst they're waiting, or you want them to do something else whilst they're waiting for the content to unlock. So it's a really great way of being able to tell your site visitors exactly what to do on your site whilst they're waiting for the content to unlock. So we'll just have a look exactly how that one works. Again, it's exactly the same as before. The content's locked, and there's a they can like, tweet, and Google Plus as usual, and the content will be locked for however long you want that to be. But at the same time, this is totally customizable. So maybe you've got a video in here telling them to click on an ad at the side, or recommending a product while they're waiting for the content to unlock. So that's it with the extra features. We think they're extremely powerful. We expect the upsell to convert really well. Obviously, they've also got the developer's license in the first upsell, and if they choose not to, then they've got the downsell. So we think that people are going to really like these features, and if they want the developer version, then they're going to be able to pay a bit extra for that, and we expect that one to convert the best. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this. Again, we go live on the 12th of July, 11 AM Eastern time, and we're going to be we've got the pre-launch. There you go, the content's just been unlocked. So we've got the pre-launch on the 9th, and we're going to have case study videos showing people how they can monetize the content that they've got, and free traffic, using free traffic, and also using some paid traffic to make profit straight away. So this is great for people who maybe have not been able to make any money online so far, and they've already got these websites with all this content and a way they can make money from it instantly. Okay, so thanks a lot again for joining us. Fill out the form below so that you can register for the prizes, and we'll see you on launch day. If you need anything at all, contact either myself or Kevin Byrne. Thanks a lot.